Next in Java, we are going to do exception handling. So exception is a condition which stops the program from execution, and there are two type of exceptions. We can say errors, compile time error and runtime error. So if there is any syntactical error in program, that is compile time error. Like if we are not putting semicolon, we are not putting double quotes or any other syntactical, we can say grammatical error. Runtime errors are also known as logical errors. In such condition, program compiles properly but it gives error at runtime. So to handle runtime error, we do exception handling. So different type of errors which can be generated in program are division by zero or printing array element which is out of bounds. So first of all, we see arithmetic error. So in this, we are going to divide a number by zero. So here I'm taking variables integer a, b and c. One more integer variable, that is d. To a I'm assigning value 10. To b I'm giving value 5. To c I'm giving value 5. And here we are saying d equals to a divided by b minus c. And if we try to print d, it is not going to show us our answer, it is going to give exception. So here it has given exception. Now this code is generating exception. So what we have to do here is we have to put this code in try block. Now this try block is going to throw exception which should be handled by catch block. So here we have to give catch block, and here we can write, if we don't know the type of exception, we can just write exception, and here it's the object of exception. But if we know the type of exception, we can say, we can directly write that exception. It is arithmetic exception. And here we can give any message, division by zero. Save it and run it. So now it is giving us answer. Initially we didn't put this code and try and catch block. So it was throwing exception but was not handled by catch block. Now we have put this code and try block. Now exception which this code is throwing is handled by catch block, and this catch block is giving us this message that we are trying to divide the number by zero. Initially, we wrote the code without try and catch block. So it was generating exception object, but it was not getting handled by catch block. Now we have given try catch block, so it is handling that exception and giving us this message that division by zero.